Lawyers also wanting the judge presiding over this case to recuse himself over conflict of interest. Joining us now is the lawyer representing the injured and arrested miners, Andries Nkome. Andries, thanks very much for your time this morning on the AM report. I've got the lawyer's letter here in front of me from Nkome Incorporated. Give us a rundown of what case you are making for the recusal of the judge in this case.
We have been informed that the judge holds shares in Sibanye, the company against which we have as a party in front of the Joburg High Court. And that being the case, it's an easy case of understanding that we are fighting against the biggest mining company in South Africa. We're fighting against the president of the country. And again, it cannot be that joining in on people that we are against should be the judge. So we are saying the judge needs to recuse himself, and we also have a judge who is not conflicted in this matter.
Do you fear that perhaps there'll be quite a delay in this case getting to the next phase of what needs to unfold here, if indeed there is now this process where the judge needs to recuse himself and someone else takes over?
It has been about 5 weeks that this matter had been on the judge's desk, and we were only informed 48 hours prior to the hearing that the judge holds the shares. So what we are seeking is the head of the court to come to our rescue and assist insofar as making sure that the matter does not delay, because we understand that it's been 9 years after Marikana happened, and we do not expect that we should have this matter delayed any longer. The more we delay, the more prejudice our client suffers.
Before we let you go, Andries, the reason why you're in court today, aside from this application to have the judge recuse himself, is because you want President Cyril Ramaphosa and Sibanye-Stillwater to be held criminally liable for this incident. How are you going to make that case?
Look, I think it was just ironic that in the past week we had to deal with a matter of somebody that had been arrested for having tweeted. And that tweet was deemed to have been incitement. So we are saying, if that can amount to an incitement, what about a direct email that is sent by the president to the Minister of Police and other head honchos in the police to say, his laborers, the mine workers, were criminals and therefore they must be dealt with concomitant action? There is no more direct incitement than what was done by President Ramaphosa in 2012.
Andries Nkome, thanks very much for joining us this morning.